When someone says it's wrong to kick a dog, they're not necessarily describing a moral fact about the universe, but expressing their emotional reaction. Welcome to Emotivism, a philosophical theory which says that what we think of as moral claims, these are just expressions of our internal emotional states and reactions to things. George Berkeley suggested that language often serves to inspire feelings, alongside conveying ideas, hinting at the emotive power of words. David Hume's An Enquiry Concerning the Principles of Morals explored the idea that morality is not grounded in reason but in sentiment, foreshadowing key emotivist concepts. Ayer argued that ethical statements are not factual but merely expressions of approval or disapproval, and Stevenson argued that ethical disagreements are often disagreements in attitude rather than belief. Being a type of meta-ethical theory of moral semantics, emotivism seeks to understand the meaning and significance of ethical statements, claiming that morality is non-cognitive. What the emotivist is saying is when you hear these things that people identify as moral claims, you can't interpret them as statements about something outside the person. They're simply reports of what's going on inside the person. Since moral claims aren't objectively true or false, and morality being non-cognitive, emotivists argue that personal feelings ultimately determine what is right or wrong. But are feelings reliable? What about easy to manipulate? Given the propositional nature of moral claims, critics of emotivism argue that they must be either true or false, and consequently the emotivist's assertion of their non-truth functional status is deemed logically inconsistent. It's hard to even think of emotivism as any kind of moral or ethical theory, and we can see how it starts crumbling away. Critics say this reduces ethics to mere emotional theater, making moral debate pointless. So next time someone's preaching ethics, remember, according to emotivism, they might just be having their feelings expressed loudly. And that's kind of it. If you enjoy the content, you can drop a like or subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.